So my kids freak out when one of them has anything that's larger or more than the other one. So when I make hamburgers, I use a scale to make sure I make the patties exactly the right size. So I put the plate and the meat on the scale, I tear it so it's 0. I know I've got a pound of hamburger. I have to make 3 patties. A pound is 16 ounces, so 15 ounces, a third of that would be 5 ounces, so each patty will be about 5 1/3 ounces. So now that it's 0, I can remove some of the meat, and when I've removed 5.3 or so, then I know that I'm working with a third of a pound, so negative 5.3 ounces. So I make my patty. Now I'm ready to take the next third off. So this is going to go up to 10.6. That's about right. 10.6. A little salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And some sliced onion to go on the grill. Time to grill some burgers. It's been about 7 minutes. Time to flip everything over. Another 5 minutes. I'm now gonna put some cheese on to melt. And put some buns on to toast up. Another 2 minutes has passed. I'm ready to assemble some burgers. Ready for some lettuce and some condiments.